Hello, today we'll show you how to pair your Sony SmartBand 2 with your Android device. So, first let's unlock the phone by pressing the power key and swiping up. Now swipe from the up down here and make sure the Bluetooth option is turned on by pressing it, just like that. Now press and hold this option to open the Bluetooth settings menu. And now let's get our band. Here we have a single button. Press and hold it until a single flashing green light appears. Just like that. And now select pair new device on your phone. And here we have our device, Sony SmartBand. Select it. Now the device is paired with our phone, but to make use of it, we need to install a few applications that can be found on the Google Play Store. So maybe let's simply get back to the menu by going back here and open the Play Store, just like that. Now here let's put in Sony SmartBand 2. Or it can be named Sony SmartBand SVR12. This is our device, so make sure to install this. It will make our device fully usable on our phone. Once the device is installed, you can simply open it and get started. You can see some pairing tips and other things. You can also use the NFC connection if you have it on your phone to simply put your device next to your phone to make the installation process much quicker. But for now, we are searching for the device, so press and hold the button once again. And do so until a single flashing light appears. Just like that. And as you can see, we have a pair and connected. This means the device is set and ready to go. You can also install the LifeLog application, but to use your device in any way, you first have to update it. So select the Update Now option and wait for a bit for all updates to be downloaded and installed. And that's it. We are ready to go. Our SmartBand has been paired and updated, so basically you just have to wear it and you can do everything you want with it. So I really hope this video helped you, and if it did, please leave a like and subscribe.